Hi everyone, welcome to week 3. We are cruising through this program here. Let's start with week 3 overview. And remember, in week 3 overview, it's going to show you what we're going to be doing this week. So we have 2 discussion posts, 1, 2. The first one is Student Success Support Network. That's what we're going to be discussing. The second one is Skills for Career Success. That's a good one. And then your assignment this week is going to be Understanding Leadership Styles. Your outcomes or your goals for this week is assessing how social support impacts goal attainment, describe soft skills that are essential to professional success, identify resources within the University of Arizona Global Campus Career Services, and explain the leadership styles and your own personal leadership style. Okay? And then I'm going to go back over to modules. I think this might be a little bit quicker doing it this way. In here in the materials, you'll find some resources that you need to use. And this is your textbook that we're using. Of course, we're going to be looking at Chapter 3, Understanding the Leadership Styles. And then there are some articles and multimedia that you need to look at. And web pages, websites, this is on making a PowerPoint presentation, and then some additional supplemental materials for the week. And then below, these are recommended, not required, but if you get time, it's always great to take a look. Okay, so that's your resources. And when we go back to week 3 and we look at, oops, what happened? We look at the lecture. This is focusing on success, the top part here. We have a little video from Forbes. And then some more materials here. This one is on Student Success Support Network. Remember, this is your discussion that you'll be using. So you're going to want to click on each of these as you go through. And then sliding down, Skills for Success, and then Understanding Leadership Styles, which of course is your weekly assignment. And then it talks about how to make a PowerPoint presentation. And then this is just your checklist to make sure that you're doing everything that needs to be done for week 3. Going back to the modules, we know that in week 3 we have 2 discussions. This is your first one. Here's your second one. You need to reply to both of those as well as your peers. Let's take a look at the week 3 assignment. Understanding Leadership Styles. This is going to be a 6-slide PowerPoint presentation that you're going to create. Remember that you need to read Chapter 3 so that you have a better understanding of the leadership styles. You can review Chapters 1 and 2 from the textbook, and then how to make a PowerPoint. Remember, when you look at the model assignments, this is what it should look like. That's a great example to take a look at, and then your grading rubric. And then you're going to want to go through here because remember, part of week 3's assignment is to not only identify the different leadership styles, but also to be able to tell what your style is. So you're going to want to go through this questionnaire here to determine your leadership style. I really like how this is laid out for you here because you're going to construct a 6-slide PowerPoint presentation, and it tells you what goes on each slide. So follow along here with slide 1 being your title slide. Slide 2, you're going to define authoritarian leadership in your own words. Don't copy and paste something in here. Put it in your own words. And then identify 3 characteristics or traits of that style. Then you're going to look at democratic and then the laissez-faire leadership in slide 4. Slide 5 will identify a well-known leader, briefly describe who the leader is or was, and identify their leadership style. Okay, and then slide 6, we're going to describe your own leadership style. What leadership style do you most identify with and why? And what are your leadership strengths and areas of opportunity? Okay, and then this just walks you through how you're going to save your PowerPoint as a PDF so that you can upload it into Waypoint. I hope you all have a fantastic week. Remember, if you need to contact me, please do so. I get back with everyone promptly. Let's do this.